Hey guys, welcome back in the channel, and today's video is going to be very special. Why I'm telling you, because I'm going to discuss some of the interview questions which I have been asked, and one of my friends recently attended two interviews and he was asked those questions. Okay, so, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. And you are feeling very excited. I know this thing because we are not able to get the interview questions easily, even if you talk about the internet, because of the because of this thing. Because we nowadays we do not have much or many professionals related to the BIM industry. That is why. Okay, so let us see what are the questions which I faced and one of my friends faced recently. So the very first question which I faced was about what do you mean by RACI matrix, right? What do you mean by RACI matrix? So in this video, I'm just telling you the questions, and if you are able to, answer those questions, this is really good. And if you do not know, you have to reach out to me on YouTube or Facebook or maybe at the, the comment box. Okay. So what the first question was, what do we mean by RACI matrix? Number two question was, what do you mean by appointing party and appointed parties? Okay. Now, the third question was related to the, you know, the workflow, how the workflow in BIM process takes place. Okay. They also asked me, do you have any idea about RFI? Okay. Request for information, right? And then they asked me, do you have any idea about ISO 19650? Okay. So that was the question. Okay. Then the next question was related to, you know, the CD, which is of course the one of the most important areas or the core of the collaboration or the BIM process. So CD was the CD means the common data environment. Okay, and then we had the BIM execution plan, which is of course another most crucial part of the BIM process. BIM execution plan. Okay, these questions are pretty obvious. We cannot deny the fact like these are very common questions. Anybody can ask you. These are the basics or the fundamentals of BIM process. Let me tell you. Now the next question was, what do you mean by EIR? Employers Information Requirement, right? And yes, these were the questions which I faced. All right. Apart from that, two, three questions were related to the Revit. How will you gonna check the accuracy of the model if you have been given a, this thing, the Revit model? All right. And what would be the first thing you're gonna check when you would be given a Revit model or being an engineer or being a structure modeler or being a manager, right? So these were the sort of questions, and in my next video I'll be talking about the you know the questions which were faced by my friends, my friend. So until then, stay tuned with me. Bye bye. I'm signing out. We'll see you again in the next video.